Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope that everyone had a great weekend. Hope everyone's looking forward to Christmas this week. Enjoy that with family, friends, loved ones. Hope everybody gets what they're looking for. But let's not forget what's important is the time with those people. All right. So, got my levels marked out for today on SPY. Pre-market is sitting right here at 683.45. Still got 45 minutes to go till open. So I've got this range mapped out, which is from last Wednesday, where market opened at, or traded the most at, I should say. So we'll see if it stays in here. It's starting to push the limits here right at the top of this range as I'm doing this video. So I did put another one on here too, which was from last Tuesday. So we'll see where it goes. Friday's range is way down here. And then I've got several other take profit or target levels marked out here, depending on which way the market wants to go when we open. It looks like there could be some nice plays today. If we get up into this range before open, we can look to continue to the upside, getting to all-time highs. So I've got several levels marked out here, which price should be able to get to just based on looking back at the volume session profile levels from those previous days. And then same thing with the downside, right? If we break this level and get into here, maybe it becomes a little bit trickier for the downside, right? If we get up into here and reject, we'll have to work our way through here and then work our way back down to Friday where we were. But that's also possible, right? Which either one of those I'd be happy with either of those moves. Just again, need to watch for where price opens at 8:30, and then my strategy is the break and hold. So I'd look for a break out of this range on a close, and then I'd look for the next 5-minute candle to stay closed above this range, and that would be my entry at the close of that candle. I'd enter long and try to hit some of these targets and take profit. Had a lot of good days last week where I think I was done within the first 30 minutes of trading, which was beautiful. There was one day I was kind of mad because I had to work, in air quotes, until like 11 Central Time to wait for the trade. But that's what we do. Again, I don't force trades. I wait for the trades to come to me. Last week was just a good week for those to come early, which we'll take those days, right? Done early, go to the gym early, go get some other stuff done, do whatever you want to do the rest of the day. Anyway, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. If there's a different chart you want me to look at in the mornings that you trade, I'm happy to do that. Just put them in the comments and I'll do it the next day and go over that with you. What else can I show you here? I did mark out MES. I like to trade the futures on my prop account, and I use SPY for my money. So MES kind of in the same boat here. I think this was the line where it's sitting at right now, pre-market, 69.13. This was Friday's session. So I'm going to wait and play that one out, but it's very similar, right? Trade's very similar to SPY, so this could be a range depending on where it opens at. This could be my tradable value area right here. Then I mapped out some other ones, like this right here is pretty close, 69.25. I could trade this area for my break and hold. So just waiting to see where it opens, and then I'll plot out where my value area is just by scrolling back on where it opens at and which day closely aligns with that. So again, happy trading, everybody. I appreciate everyone watching this. If you like this content and you're not subscribed yet, please do. Helps me out. I'm trying to grow the channel, trying to spread the word, and help people out. Help people out. God knows that I struggled with trading for years and years and years and years until I landed on this, and it seems to be working really, really well. All right, thanks everybody. I appreciate you. Have a good day.